Okay, good morning everybody. Welcome you to your online science class. So class prep students, ready with your science book today. Okay, don't open the book now, just you will take your science book and just follow me. Okay, kindly see the picture and you can feel that what I am doing now here. Okay. Now there is a board and I am doing something different. I am drawing some carving lines. Okay, can you see this? Don't take out the book, just you will see the board. So many carving lines are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many carving lines are there. Okay, it related with what? It related with water. It related with water. Water is life for us. Okay, water is life for us. Without water we can't live. Okay, without water we can't live. Water is life for us. All the living things, water is the life. Okay, water ছাড়া কোনো life নেই. Without water, water ছাড়া আমরা কেউ বাঁচতে পারবো না. We can't live. All the animals, all the this planet, all animals on plants, everybody live with water. Without water we can't live. Okay, but some animals are there. Now I can draw animal. Which animal it is? Now write down me on chat box because I can't listen just now. So what is this? You can tell me. You can write down in your box. That's what is this? This is what is this? This is yes, fish. Excellent. This is fish. Fish can't live without water. Okay? Fish is water animal. Fish is water animal. Fish can't live without water. Fish can't live without water. Fish is water animal. So today we learn some names about water animals. Now I'll draw some pictures. Now I'll erase this board here now. Then I'll draw some pictures. After learning these names, I'm recording. So we know this is fish. We'll draw something and also we'll learn the name. Suhana Parveen. Previous year. Okay. So we can't live without water, we know. But some animals, already I told you, they live in water. Just like fish. We recognize the pictures now here and learn the spellings also from here. Okay. So first it is fish. We know these spellings. F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay. F-I-S-H. Fish. Now I'll draw something just for you. Can you tell me what is this? This is tortoise or turtle. Okay, this is turtle. This is turtle. This is also water animal. Turtle is T-U-R-T-L-E. Now say the spellings with me. Turtle, turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Now, can you tell me what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 arms and a smiley face. This is octopus. Octopus. O-C-T-O. Octo. P-U-S. Pass. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Pass. Octopus. Thereafter a big animal is there. This is the largest animal in the world. Whale. Okay, also in land, in water. Okay. Now, after this, we I'll just now try here, but not actually I can do because it is for just like fountain is there. So, octopus after this is whale. This is a small miniature is there, but this is not actually like this. It is too big. Biggest than elephant. So, it is the largest or biggest animal in the world. Whale. W-H-A-L-E. Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Okay. So, we learn today 4 names related with water animals. Our lesson is water animal. So, our lesson is today water animals. We learn some names related with water animals. Just we learn the spellings today, just for you today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thereafter I will give a work and you will all complete this work. Okay. Now do this. Fish. Say with me. F-I-S-H. Today work is basically depend on oral purpose. Okay. So oral. Write down CW date on your book and write down oral. Spellings at first you will write down. Okay. You will CW date, put it here, and oral. Spellings you will learn at first. Thereafter we will do the activity after that. So, oral. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Thereafter, octopus. O-C-T-O. Octo. O-C-T-O. Octo. P-U octopus. O-C-T-O, octo, P-U-S, pus, octopus. Thereafter, whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. W-H-A-L-E, whale. Thereafter, turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. Okay. So, fish, octopus, whale, turtle. Now your activity is now with me. Take your science copy or drawing copy, whatever you have now in your hand. Take it, take a pencil, draw just like a circle, but don't cover this one, okay? Just like circle you will draw, all you will draw. Okay, all you will draw. Mriganko, where is your copy? Take out your science copy or drawing copy, whatever you have, and take out a fresh page. Yes, at first now you will draw at first this circle, okay? Now, one circle, small circle, 0, 0. Double 0 will be here, okay? Now the eyes I will make now just like me, you will also do. Our nose, and thereafter a smiley look, okay? And leg like this. The 8 arms we will do. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You will also do, students. Then you will show me the picture. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many arms? 8 arms. Octopus has 8 arms. So you will also do just like this and write down the spellings here. Octopus. Okay. Color as you like, but especially you will use light color, just like light brown, ocean color, just like sky blue, and light green or sea green. You can use the sea green color, okay? What a light orange color, because octopus you will color. This is underwater animal and sea based animal, so you will use the light color now. Octopus. Okay, you will draw this one and do this. Wow, very good. Wow, 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 wow. Octopus is ready. Yummy octopus. So you will complete the color also. Okay, next day in our class I will see from each and everybody the color also. Octopus, not only the drawing, also color. So today's class up to this much. You will continue this one. Color is also your as a homework. Okay, color is homework. You will continue this one. Next day again we will meet. Thank you for today. Bye bye everybody.